So I'm Dale Richter, National Ops Manager for Easy Liquids and at Incitec Pivot, and I've been with the company about 4 years now.
I couldn't tell you how long ago it started, but it actually started in town with a few local businessmen. It eventually grew, and then they end up hiring the site out here just a little bit north of Moree. So Easy Liquids, we're easy. It's a fertiliser manufacturing site here in Moree.
I think our main challenge was being able to provide a better service towards our customers, along with asset tracking in our hire tank fleet. Also, the operational advantage to having the INCYT product on our hire tanks is, if there's an empty hire tank, we can collect it and move it on to another customer and gain the value.
So one, you've got to have a bit of an idea of where your tanks are, so knowing where your assets are. Two, the amount of times that we've been out on farm to do a refill in a tank, we've gotten out there and the tank's still chock-a-block full.
I think there's quite a number of scenarios that play into it. Definitely the tanks being empty and having a short refill time to supply the customer. No real foresight to pre-plan any deliveries to them, especially for customers that are a fair distance away. The sensors we've installed across the actual manufacturing plants, it was more for inventory control, where we have one admin girl based in Melbourne that looks after the inventory across all 3 sites, and just having to rely on a manual dip or a visual site check all the time. We wanted something a bit more accurate, a bit more user-friendly, I guess. Now we can expand it out to our sales team and say, righto, this is what's in tank, rather than them guys jumping on the phone and ringing every 5 minutes to say, have you got this, have you got that? They've got a quick visual snapshot of what's in tank. Helps with our logistics coordinators as well that aren't always based on site, so they can see what's in tank for what's got to be delivered on any one day. So there's quite a lot of benefits to our business from a manufacturing or operational point of view. Yeah. Ease of use is certainly the big one for us. The advantage, you can have it on your phone, you can have it on your desktop. Quick snapshot from wherever you are, it doesn't really matter. There's plenty of advantages. You can see the history, you can see the trends in it.
Really enjoyed the accuracy, how quick they responded, or how quick we were able to see what was actually in the tanks. The applications were quite easy to use, so they're quite user-friendly. They're also easy to install.
Yeah, certainly a lot of advantages and can be used across different industries as far as I'm concerned, yeah.